The old 3801 steam locomotive is on its way to Perth after restoration as Australia's official bicentennial train.
From the front, she looks like a Japanese bullet train. It's hard to imagine that 3801 was the first of its kind, the pride of Australia's steam trains. It's been a long time since train passengers have been smothered by steam, but not everyone was overawed by the experience. The original 3801 is Australia's bicentennial train, carrying passengers from Sydney to Perth. It still holds the Sydney-Newcastle speed record, but this trip is more for sightseeing.
Oh, it's a beautiful machine.